Love henna and planning to travel? Wondering if you can bring it on a plane? Stick around, because today we're covering everything you need to know, TSA rules, packing tips, and more. So, can you take henna on a plane? The short answer is yes, but with a few guidelines. Henna paste and tubes. If you've got henna paste or tubes, they're considered liquids. So, they'll need to follow the TSA 311 liquid rule. That means each tube or bottle should be 3.4 ounces, or 100 milliliters, or less, and it must go into a clear, quart-sized bag along with your other liquids. If you have bigger containers, pop them in your checked luggage. Henna powder. If you're bringing powdered henna, there's a bit more flexibility. You can carry it in both your carry-on or checked bag, but if you've got more than 12 ounces, or 340 grams, you'll need to remove it for extra screening at security. A good rule of thumb: keep large amounts in your checked bag to avoid any hassle. Tips for international travel. Traveling internationally? It's super important to check the customs regulations of your destination. Some countries may have specific rules for bringing henna, so always double-check before you fly. For example, the UK and Canada allow henna, but they suggest packing it in its original packaging and declaring it if you're carrying a large quantity. Helpful tips. Want to bring more henna paste? Store your henna in your checked bag to skip the liquid limits. Always keep your henna securely packed in plastic bags to avoid spills or messes. Trust me, you don't want that in your luggage. The Ask TSA answer. If you've got more questions, the TSA team has your back. You can reach out to their Ask TSA service on X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook. They're super responsive and can clarify any doubts about your henna. Here is an answer from them. Creamy henna paste is allowed in carry-on bags, but containers must be 3.4 ounces or less and placed in a single quart-sized bag with other travel-size liquids, gels and aerosols. So there you have it. You can bring henna with you on your travels. Just follow the TSA guidelines, especially with liquids, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy travels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Closely for more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels.